Hello, this is Renee Hanson with Remax Fine Properties in Northern Arizona. They say the only thing guaranteed in life is death and taxes, and I want to help you avoid or defer taxes and tell you how I'm helping my clients do that in real estate. The first is that you always want a CPA, and we always refer back to the CPA. But the first thing that I always pay attention to is the capital gains law. This law states that if you've lived 2 out of 5 years in a home as your primary residence, if you're single, you can walk away with $250,000 of the capital gains. And if you're married, you can walk away with $500,000. So always pay attention to how long you've lived in the property, also if it's your primary residence, and also what it takes to become your primary residence, because it's 2 out of the last 5 years. So that's one thing we always pay attention to when I'm helping people sell real estate. The second, if it's not your primary residence, is we use a 1031 exchange. So these are used for investment properties, and what we do is we just trade out one property for another, or a piece of land for another. And you can also do a reverse 1031 exchange, which allows you to buy the property that you want first and then sell your relinquished property second. So these allow you to move real estate around tax deferred, and you want a good real estate agent such as me, because you will have to hire an intermediary, and you will have to pay attention to very strict timelines where you have to find your property in certain time frames and also close on it in certain time frames. So these things are critical. That's called a 1031. Those have been around for a long time. Another thing is to pay attention to opportunity zones. So these are the newest things that the IRS has come out with. And it basically allows you to cash out any type of asset, including stocks and bonds, and put it into real estate tax deferred. And it's called an opportunity zone. The government has mapped out certain areas of the United States and called it a growth area. And if you invest in these certain areas, then you can move assets around and defer those taxes. So you can find the map, it's readily available online, or you can reach out to me and I can help you figure that out. So the last thing is you want to make sure that you hire a good CPA, and you want to look at depreciation on your properties. You want to make sure that you are looking at putting them in LLCs and trusts, and just making sure that you're getting those taxes and liabilities down as much as you can. So again, these are complicated subjects, but I make them simple and easy to understand when you work with me as your agent. If you would like more information, text CARE7 to 88,000 or give me a call at 928-853-2591. Thanks.